You know you can help, Uncle Ian.
You told me you could do it by yourself.
God, you can be such a pain sometimes. Ah.
Why do you have to make such a mess all the time?
Just come over here and help me, okay?
Fine.
Hey, what's in the basement?
Oh, the basement? The previous owner said it was haunted and full of ghosts. I don't go down there because I'm afraid of getting cursed.
What?
That's just what I tell people. It's just really dark and dusty down there. I'll show you your room and help you take up the stuff. Then we can start supper.
Alright.
Looking forward to starting a new school tomorrow?
Not really.
Don't do that. Look on the bright side. At least you don't have to work in an office like me.
And then I might be boring like you.
You should really try and cheer up. This is your life now. Anyway, I need to get to bed. I have another start tomorrow. Good night.
Night. Come on, let's go check out the basement. Ow. What is that? Do you want a pet or something? What are you? A slime? That's awesome! Finally, something interesting in this boring place. Does Uncle Ian know about you? Oh, this will be interesting.
I gotta get to work.
Hey Uncle, guess what I found in the basement?
I don't really care! I'm sorry. I'm just really stressed at the moment.
Well, I found a slime in the basement.
What? A slime?
You know those green, gooey, bubbly, on-time creatures?
I know what a slime is. I'm just saying they don't exist. Please, take something before you leave. I'm late. I gotta go. Can you pick that up for me, please? I'll see you after school.
See ya. Great. Next time come on cue. We almost had him. Well, I have to go to school now. Behave yourself.
What the... We don't even have a dog.
I'm home!
Connor! Hey, get back in here! What is this mess?
I didn't make it.
Well, you were the last one here, so clean it up. Now, I'm gonna go lay down upstairs. Move!
Fine. Just great.
So tired. Connor, stop. Connor! Connor!
Oh.
Well, what is it?
It's a slime, like I told you.
Is it friendly?
Yeah, of course he is. Isn't he adorable?
No, it's actually hideous.
Well, in that case, can I keep him?
No, absolutely not.
Aw, please, Uncle, please.
What? Fine, but you have to bathe it. It left slime all over my room.
Great. He needs it.
Makes it look stupid.
But if I want to walk him, he'll need it.
You want to walk it?
Of course, look at him. He's huge.
Really?